Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Battery Meter Windows application. If you want a clean, simple way to monitor your laptop battery directly from your desktop, this tool is super handy. Let's dive in. Battery Meter shows your battery percentage in real time. And it can also display the battery status of your connected USB and Bluetooth devices, such as your iPhone. In the Settings page, you can enable the battery life graph, so you can get a sense of how fast or slowly your battery usage goes down. For this, you need to rerun the application with administrator rights. After restarting, you will see the graph. Design. On the same Settings page, you can also customize the color of the user interface. Change the radio button to System Theme to use the operating system's color. If you select the Custom Theme radio button, you can set your own background color. Windows 11 widget. You can also add battery meter to your Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select Battery Meter from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. Once added, you will see the widget on your Windows 11 widget board. Furthermore, there isn't just one widget, there are 4 widgets. Let's add them all to the Windows board. By clicking the three-dot menu in the top corner of a widget, you can change its size to small, medium, or large. You can also select Customize Widget to adjust its settings. And that's it! You now know how to use the Battery Meter Windows app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.